Hello at welcome sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Nag-take 2 kami kasi kanina naka-off yung mic. Sorry, amateur. But anyway, so ewan ko, maintindihan natin yung video ngayon. So we did the few steps. I'll just try to explain it. But for today, una sa lahat, huwag kayo judgmental sa kulay ng dish. It's not very colorful, but I'm telling you, very explosive yung flavor. It's actually my garlic pasta. So, it's not the Italian version, no? Kasi ba yung Italian version tawag na garlic aioli. So, ito may pagka-Asian in taste. So, that's what we'll be cooking today. It's gonna be very plain, colored looking. But there are a little bit of techniques that you're going to learn. And I hope ma-enjoy ninyo. Come on, let's cook! Dahil take 2 na to, of course, there's always truth in advertising. Nabuhos ko na yung ating pasta. Okay? And kanina dinedescribe ko yung buong garlic. Kanina nga wala kong microphone, kaya sorry na nga. So, I put it here, kasi nga I advocate, huwag naman tayo mag-waste ng energy and heat. Since it's already boiling water, linagay ko na dyan yung garlic. So, I'll be boiling the garlic for about 5 minutes. So, right now, before kami nag-take 2, it's been boiling already for a minute, no? So, I'm just waiting for probably about 3 minutes and a half more. Lalabas ko na yung garlic. I'm gonna chop it up. Because the pasta, like kanina I showed the box, it's gluten-free, no? So, ibig sabihin, for those who are watching gluten, na gusto mag-low carbs, so ito yung binili ko. I think meron din yung San Remo nito. It just so happens meron kaming tira from the other day. So, I use it up. I use it a lot. So, basically, while we're waiting for that, normally, ang gluten-free, 7 to 8 minutes siya. Normally, nagkukook. So, after that, I'm gonna chop the garlic, and then we're gonna saute it in butter and some oyster sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, and a little bit of chili. And I'm probably gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. Parang tinatry ko kopyahin yung there's a Vietnamese restaurant yung nagsaserve ng crabs. Nakalimutan ko na yung name. Crustacea House. Yeah, Crustacea House. Malapit ko sa nakatiring sister ko. So, before kumain kami dun many years ago. So, ito yung tinatry ko i-replicate na pasta. Sinaserve nila to with garlic crabs. And I think may ginagamit silang Vietnamese na peanut oil, which of course, hindi ko mahanap. That's why I'm using sesame oil. This is pretty much my way of imitating ba? Or parang, if I'm craving for it, at least this is something I do. But I learned it from a chef that I used to train under. So, siya yung nagturo sa akin ng trick na to. And until now, we cook it pa some more. Tingnan natin. I will leave this open na. Yun. So, medyo matigas-tigas pang ating pasta. O, siguro, ilan pa ba to? 3 more minutes para sigurado tayong very fine na ang ating pasta. This dish is very plain, diba? It's very plain coloring, but it's very comforting. Very tasty. Baka ma-shock kayo na biglang ang plain color, pero pag try mo, very explosive, I promise you. Kung hindi naman kayo crabs, kunyari, chicken, you can just grill the chicken and serve it with chicken. Or the pasta itself, you can just top it, let's say, shrimps, sauteed shrimps kung gusto niyo to add another texture. But don't think it's Italian nga eh. So it's more Asian in style yung kanyang taste profile. Kaya hindi ko sinasabing mag-add kayo ng parang Italian flavor, meaning parang steak. It might not go kasi nga may pagka-Asian yung kanyang taste. Okay? So it's pretty much fine. There. And let me see the pasta. So while that's cooking, let me just chop this up. There. Pretty much malambot na to. So, if you are the one slicing it right now, very malambot siya. Wala siyang struggle. I boiled it just right, not to be so mushy. Kasi if you boiled it a little bit more, para na siyang mashed potato. So, you don't want that. It's not the kind of texture that you want. By boiling it kasi, parang tinatanggal mo yung tapang. So, basically, di ba, pag kinakain mo raw, yung garlic, di ba, para siyang matapang, no? Very, spicy in a way. That's why we wanted to boil it, no? Para it gives you that more softer, garlicky taste, hindi sobrang tapang. Plus, we're not gonna burn it. No, we're not gonna even make it golden. Yun. I'm so excited for you to try this. Because it's such a plain pasta, but it's so flavorful. So, and it practically goes with anything, no? While we're waiting for the pasta, I'm gonna start sauteing it. Okay? It's not gonna be so good if it's not butter. But, pwede rin star margarine if you wish. So, pretty much is about 1/4, diba? Butter. Hindi naman yun yung mahal na butter. I think ito ata yung golden crown Crown Golden. Ano ba tawag doon? Hindi ako sure sa pangalan ng brand. Basta yun. Yun yung binibili ko. Hindi tayo masyadong maarte. I think this is almost done. I'm just gonna switch it around because I have a stronger fire on this side para mag-slow down yung cooking ng pasta. So there. So here is our garlic. Smells so good. And then, like what I said, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of chili. Just a little bit of chili para lang may konting kick. During COVID, linuto ko to ulit kasi I gave it as a gift to a friend kasi birthday niya. So, I think I put it with some grilled prawns. Tapos, ito yung pasta under. So, here, can you see the butter? Yeah. Wanna be the same without the butter. Pero, kunyari gusto yung sour margarine, feel free. But, if you do that, please control the oyster sauce. Kasi nga, it might be too salty, no? I know, yung normally yung procedure sinasabi is to strain the pasta tsaka nyo imimix. I actually like scooping it out because gusto ko nakukuha ng konting water. And I like na nakukuha ng konting water because it actually helps with the texture of the sauce. You have to remember, may konti rin yung thickeners, no? Kahit gluten-free to, pasta, meron siyang some sort of thickeners. So, I'm just gonna add some more butter. It's just like half a tablespoon. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of oyster sauce. So, ganun lang siya ka-simple. So, that's probably about 2 tablespoons. Scrape ko lang para para hindi naman sayang. You see? That's how simple, how plain colored looking this pasta is, but it's so flavorful, no? Packed with so much flavors. There. Then, I turned off my fire. I'm just gonna add a few drops of sesame oil. There you go. There. So, look at how plain, diba? Napaka-plain color, tsaka napaka-deceiving. Akala mo wala siyang lasa. Sigurado ako, paglagay ko to sa buffet, wala siguro kukuha nito. Until one brave person tastes it and spread the word and say na masarap talaga siya. Just gonna put a little bit of basil para hindi siya mukhang kawawa sa buffet. Diba? I'm adding the basil in the end because this is fresh basil. So you don't wanna put it in the pan. Yan. There you go. This is our plain-looking garlic pasta but very explosive flavors. And in a while, somebody will taste it and I will prove a point na talagang explosive ang flavors ito. So please enjoy. This is like our Vietnamese-inspired garlic noodles. Perfect with seafood or any kind of light, maybe chicken or fish or squid. But plain, simple, but impact and full of flavors. So enjoy!
Sarap. Kasi dapat lasa yung bite. No ice.
Diba? Very simple. Lalo na pag umuulan, it's the perfect dish, diba?